Today I, Mankirat Dhaliwal, a student of class 10th of St.Peter's Academy, Patiala, is going to explain the structure of brain under the guidance of Chief Mentor R.K. Sharma of Prosperous Academy. The human brain consists of various parts that include the forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. Each of these parts can be subdivided into various other parts as described below. The forebrain. This refers to a human brain's interior part and controls various functions of the human body like temperature, reproduction, hunger, sleep, and emotions. The forebrain includes other parts like cerebrum. This is the largest part of the brain, which consists of the cerebral cortex of the brain and other subcortical structures. The cerebrum has two cerebral hemispheres, dense heavy bands of fiber, commonly known as corpus callosum, join the two cerebral hemispheres together. Functions of the cerebrum include memory retention, consciousness, intelligence, thinking, hearing, vision, and interpreting touch. The cerebrum can be further subdivided into four sections. The cerebrum also possesses an exterior part called the cerebral mantle. The cortex has a large surface area since it is convoluted. Other areas that are a part of cerebrum are sensory areas help in receiving messages, motor areas help the voluntary muscles act, association areas help in connecting the sensory areas with the motor areas. Let us move on to hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is located below the thalamus and is a small yet essential part of the human brain. It is considered as the primary area of the brain performing the following functions. Body temperature is regulated by the hypothalamus. It receives impulses from various parts of the body, controls the emotional quotient and mood, controls the sense of smell and taste, controls blood pressure, appetite, heart rate, etc. The midbrain is the central part of the brainstem. It is a fairly small area that consists of tectum. The tectum is the dorsal area of the midbrain and makes up for a small portion of the brain. It controls the reflex movements of the neck muscles, eye, and head. All sensory information from the ears to the cerebrum is relayed here. The tectum also acts as a passage for various neurons that move in and out of the cerebrum. Hindbrain, also known as the central part of the human brain, is composed of three regions that coordinate any process that is essential for survival, which includes motor learning and breathing. The hindbrain is made up of cerebellum. It is the second largest part of the brain, located in the area of the pons and medulla. The transverse fissure and tentorium cerebelli separates the cerebrum and the cerebellum. The outer surface of the cerebellum is the cortex. Two hemispheres, the grey cortex on the outer portion and the white medulla inside, make up the cerebellum. The cerebellum also consists of cerebellar nuclei, cerebellar peduncles, and the anterior and posterior lobes. The cerebellum performs important functions like transfer of information, coordination of eye movement, sense of equilibrium, controlling of the voluntary movements of the body, coordination of skeletal movements that are directly related to the anterior and posterior lobes. Medulla is the lowest area of the brain. It is a small structure that controls the body's autonomic functions like digestion, heartbeat, etc. It also connects the cerebral cortex and the spinal cord and helps control the human body reflexes. Pons, present between the medulla and the midbrain. The pons is the most important structure of the brainstem. It relays the signals between various parts of the brain, including the spinal cord, lower cerebellum, midbrain, and the cerebrum. Other functions of the pons include regulating respiration frequency and magnitude, controlling the sleep cycle, transferring information between the motor cortex and the cerebellum, helps in regulating sensations like taste and hearing. I hope this video will be beneficial for you. Do like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.